Hello everyone, this is Alexey. Silicon carbide is expanding in all ways across the globe. We see it every week, every month during the year. Being part of Lipus Semiconductor, where we focus on silicon carbide modules, I can confirm it myself. Step by step, silicon carbide is gaining its market share. And now let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Toshiba Electronics Europe has launched 5 1200-volt silicon carbide MOSFETs that leverage the company's third-generation silicon carbide technology to boost the energy efficiency of high-voltage industrial applications. They are used in equipment such as electric vehicle charging stations, photovoltaic inverters, industrial power supplies, uninterruptible power supplies, and bidirectional or half-bridge DC-DC converters. By improving the on-resistance gate-drain charge figure of merit by more than 80%, Toshiba's latest silicon carbide technology elevates both conduction and switching performance in power conversion topologies. Wolfspeed announced it will build a new state-of-the-art multi-billion-dollar materials manufacturing facility in North Carolina. The investment is targeted to generate a more than 10-fold increase from Wolfspeed's current silicon carbide production capacity, supporting the company's long-term growth strategy, accelerating the adoption of silicon carbide semiconductors across a wide area of end markets, and unlocking a new era of energy efficiency. The facility will primarily produce 200mm silicon carbide wafers, which are 1.7 times larger than 150mm wafers, translating into more chips per wafer and ultimately lower device costs. These wafers will be used to supply Wolfspeed's Mohawk Valley fab, which opened earlier this year as the world's first, largest and only fully automated 200mm silicon carbide fabrication facility. II-VI announced a corporate name change to Coherent and a new brand identity, following the successful completion of II-VI acquisition of Coherent on July 1, 2022. The new brand identity includes a new corporate logo. The logo represents the atom, which is foundational to what makes Coherent's product possible. The new name and brand identity reflect the combined company's strong heritage and long history while signaling the broadened scope and vision for the future. The organization will maintain II-VI's founding date of 1971 and its founding place and corporate headquarters as Saxonburg, Pennsylvania. Xiaodenko has started shipment of samples of silicon carbide epitaxial wafers 200mm in diameter, which are used mainly for silicon carbide power semiconductors, as the first Japanese manufacturer to ship samples of 200mm silicon carbide Epi-wafers for external customers. Xiaodenko uses in-house manufactured single-crystal silicon carbide wafers for producing these samples. Korea Showa Chemicals, KSC, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Xiaodenko, has conducted construction work to expand the site of specialty gas storage facility in South Korea to better serve the growing demand for high-purity gases for semiconductor production. Through this expansion, the Xiaodenko Group will strengthen stability of its system to supply specialty gases for semiconductor production, notwithstanding the ongoing global logistics problem. In light of recent developments concerning the pandemic in Shanghai, PCIM Asia will now be held from 26 to 28 of October 2022 in Hall E1 at the Shanghai New International Expo Center. The show will continue to provide a platform for exchanging ideas, showcasing technologies, and expanding business networks. This will be achieved through gathering the latest power electronics suppliers at the fairground and by exploring the latest trends through the fair's Concurrent program. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or get in touch with me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.